evaluate the following expressions. So here I've given 7 expressions, and this video is meant for class 11 students. So if you are a class 12 student, then you must be doing it really fast, okay? And if you have any doubts, please clear your doubts now and then itself, and then move on. Okay, don't wait for me to do. Okay, so here this is the order of precedence. You'll be able to solve expression based questions only if you learn your order of precedence. This is very, very important. Okay, so here whichever comes first from left to right. Okay, this is grouped, this much is grouped, these are grouped, this is alone, these many from left to right. Okay, now 12 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 6 by 2 is 3. 12 plus 12, whichever comes first from left to right. So here plus is coming, so add these two. 24 minus 3, 21. This is the answer. Now here, so here you can see we must use the bracket order of precedence. Solve the bracket first. So solve what is there in the bracket here. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 4s are 60. 60 minus 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. 60 minus 3 is 57. Now here 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 star. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 mod. Minus 2 by 2 is how much? This is minus 1. So 15 into minus 1 minus 15. 12 plus 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is how much? 27 into 3, 75. 12 plus 75. 12 plus 75. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. 81 minus 6 is 75. Yeah, correct. By 2. So 12 plus 75 by 2 is 37.5. So it will be 49.5. Okay. Now 12 star 3 mod 4. So 12 star 3 mod 4. So 3 mod 4. Here, listen this. Whichever, when mod comes, okay, if you see mod anywhere, and if the number on the left of the mod, that is here the number on the left of the mod is 3. If the number on the left of mod is less than that on the right, that is 3 here is less than 4, then the answer, that is then the remainder will be, mod will give us the remainder. So then the answer, which is the remainder, will be the number on the left. 3 mod 4 is 3. Okay. If the number on the left is smaller than that on the right, then that number which is on the left will be the answer. So 3 mod 4, 3 by 2 plus 6. 12 3s are 36. 36, 2 plus 6. 36 by 2, 18. 18 plus 6 is nothing but 24. 12 mod 3. Here you have to divide and find. 12 mod 3 is 0. 0 raised to 4 is 0. Right? But here if you see, okay, wait, 12 mod, yeah, I didn't see this. See, here we are having exponents, so this must be done first. 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4, 81. 81 slash 5 plus 6. 12 okay, now 12 mod 81 is 12. 12 by 5 plus 6. So 12 divided by 5 is 2. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 2 mod 5 is nothing but 2 itself. 2 star 4. 2 star 4 is 8. 8 plus 7, 13 minus 7, 6. 6 raised to 2, 36. No, wait. I'll write it under, okay? I don't have space. This is 2 mod 5 is 2. 2 star 4 plus 13 minus 4 is how much? 6 raised to 2. Now here 2 star 4 is 8. 8 plus 6 square is 36. Yeah, correct. 44. This is how we solve. This is really important. 12th graders will get 1 mark questions from this for sure, and 11th graders will get 1 mark or 2 mark questions. This is really sure, 100% sure questions for both class 11 and 12. Okay, so make sure you do. You'll get 2 marks for sure. Okay, if you have any doubts, please put in your doubts in the comment section. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.